Avocados aren't just for guacamole anymore. Today I'm going to show you how to transform avocados into a creamy and rich keto avocado chocolate pudding with no avocado taste detected. Hi, I'm Cassidy from Cassidys Craveable Creations, and this is my husband Caleb.
Hello.
And on this channel, we show you how to make healthy but delicious keto and paleo recipes that are gluten-free, grain-free, and mostly dairy-free. So to see more recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to be alerted each time we post a new video. So to get started, there are just 6 simple ingredients, and we're just going to process them on high in a food processor. And we're going to start with the avocados. I have 2 ripe avocados, and if you notice, they're like a really pretty green color. If you open your avocados and there are big brown spots, you don't want to use them because it'll leave an aftertaste. Yeah. So go ahead and put them in. And I've noticed that when I buy avocados, I like to buy them that they still have the stems attached, because I noticed that those are less likely to have big brown spots in them, and then they just need a slight give, and those should be perfect. Okay, so now we need coconut cream. If you are not dairy-free, you can use heavy whipping cream. To get coconut cream, all you do is place full-fat canned coconut milk in the fridge overnight, and then you scoop out the cream. And that just gives it like a really good milk chocolate taste and kind of covers up the avocado taste, along with the cocoa powder covers up the avocado. Okay, so now the powdered sugar. So we have keto powdered sugar, and I really like the allulose monk fruit blend because it's not gritty at all. It doesn't have an aftertaste, but really any blend will work. Even the erythritol powdered sugars, they do pretty well in this recipe also. And we have pure vanilla, a tablespoon of pure vanilla. You know, it always smells the vanilla.
I love vanilla.
And then cocoa powder. I think it's a half a cup of cocoa powder.
It's good too.
Nice. And just a little bit of unsweetened non-dairy milk to thin it out some, because otherwise it'll be really thick. And even if you do have dairy, I recommend the non-dairy milk because dairy milks have quite a few carbs in them. So that's it. Let's just blend this up, and I'll meet you back here after it's creamy and smooth. Okay, so can you believe how easy that recipe was?
So easy. Even I did it. Shortest,
easiest recipe ever. So let's try it. Are you nervous to try it since it has avocados in it, or are you good?
A little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah.
You think it'll taste like regular pudding?
If it doesn't, we'll dip chips in it.
Ooh, chips. Okay, let's get a little bit more. I know you're going to love it, so I'm going to give you a lot.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not for sure. I'm a little worried.
You want to put some coconut cream on it? I have a link to my coconut cream recipe in the description below. And I forgot to mention earlier, I actually will have a link to the entire recipe in the description below. Pretty. Mm-hmm. And let's put some strawberries to be pretty. You could even make this for me sometime to be extra special.
Does this count?
No, it doesn't count. Okay, let's try it. Here we go. It's really creamy. Yeah. You would never know there's avocado in here.
No.
It tastes just like a really rich chocolate pudding that you'd buy at the store. It's delicious.